Hyundai Elantra CN7 Rear Bumper Replacement. Learn how to remove the front bumper on your 2025 Hyundai Elantra by following these clear step-by-step instructions for a safe and damage-free process. Step 1. Use a screwdriver or trim remover to remove the service cover. A. Step 2. Disconnect the rear combination lamp connector. Step 3. Remove the mounting nuts, then detach the rear combination lamp A. Step 4. Loosen the mounting nuts and clips and remove the rear bumper under cover A. For general type model, left side, right side. For N-line model, left side, right side. Step 5. Loosen the rear bumper assembly mounting bolts. Left side, right side. Step 6. Loosen the lower mounting clips of the rear bumper. Step 7. Remove the upper mounting clips and bolts securing the rear bumper. Step 8. Loosen the mounting screws on the side of the rear bumper A and detach the side portion. Be careful not to damage the tabs on the side section of the rear bumper. Step 9. Disconnect the rear bumper connector and finally remove the rear bumper assembly. To install, follow the removal procedure in reverse order. Disassembly of the rear bumper. The following procedure describes how to disassemble the rear bumper components. Step 1. Remove the rear bumper. Watch the first part of the video for a detailed demonstration of this step. Step 2. Press the lock pin, disconnect the connector, and remove the wiring harness. A. Step 3. Remove the fixing clips, then detach and remove the rear bumper beam assembly A. Reinstall the components by reversing the removal steps. Enjoyed the video? Hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new guide.